This tutorial is for 3rd grade Module 3, where we've actually pulled in some lessons from Module 4. So the original lesson came from Module 4, Lesson 8. In this lesson, we're going to use multiplication and division concepts to find area of rectangles. Here I have 3 rectangles, and I need to find the area of each rectangle. And to find the area of a rectangle, we need to take the length times the width. In my first rectangle, I have a length of 4 feet and a width of 7 feet. I'm going to fill that in on my multiplication number sentence. So I have 4 times 7, which is 28. That tells me that the area of this rectangle is 28 square feet. A reminder that when we're finding the area of a rectangle, we're finding out how many squares fill that shape. So this tells me I would have 4 rows of 7 squares, or 28 square feet. For rectangle B, I have an 8 foot by 7 foot rectangle. 8 times 7 is 56. So the area of this rectangle is 56 square feet. And rectangle C, I have a length of 6 feet and a width of 6 feet. 6 times 6 is 36. So the area is 36 square feet. In the next section, I have rectangles, but they have some missing sides. The directions say write a multiplication sentence and a division sentence to find the unknown side length for each rectangle. My first rectangle has a length of 9 feet and an area of 72 square feet. If I were to fill those numbers in on my multiplication sentence, I would say that I have 9 times something equals 72. I can use division to help me figure out my missing factor. It's the same thing as saying 72 divided by 9 equals some number. Well, 72 divided by 9 equals 8, and then 9 times 8 equals 72. So my missing length is 8 feet. We'll follow the same process for rectangle B. I have a length of 3 feet and an area of 15 square feet. So I'll take 3 times some number to give me 15, or 15 divided by 3. Well, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 3 times 5 is 15, so my missing side is 5 feet. I'll do one more. Now I have a missing length, but my width is 4 feet. So some number times 4 will give me an area of 28 square feet, or 28 divided by 4 will give me my missing side. 28 divided by 4 is 7, or 7 times 4 is 28, so my missing length is 7 feet. Here's an example of a word problem using these same concepts. It says Liza's bedroom measures 6 feet by 7 feet. Her brother's bedroom measures 5 feet by 8 feet. Liza says their rooms have the same exact floor area. Is she right? Why or why not? I'm going to use pictures to help me figure out whether Liza is correct or not. I'll start by drawing a picture of Liza's bedroom, and I'll label that. We'll show that it's 6 feet by 7 feet. And I'll draw a picture of her brother's bedroom. We'll label that. And the dimensions are 5 feet by 8 feet. Now let's determine the area for each. Well, 6 times 7 is 42 square feet, while 5 times 8 is 40 square feet. So you can see the areas are not the same. So we'll say Liza is incorrect. The area of her room is 2 square feet larger than her brother's room.